Top 5 Best Immersion Blenders on the Market. Number 1. Mueller Austria MultiPurpose Immersion Blender. Mueller USA together with Mueller Austria bring to you a superior product that delivers real support in your kitchen and also makes your life relatively more straightforward. It is the Mueller Austria MultiPurpose Hand Blender, a heavy-duty machine built with a copper motor and finished with stainless steel. The Mueller Ultra Stick Blender features a sophisticated design with exceptional quality, as it has 3 times the capabilities of competing brands. It features a stainless steel set of S-shaped blades, fixed into the motor's body for safety. The ergonomic grip included in the design of this unit enhances its non-slip nature and delivers comfort to users, especially during long blending periods. Concerning use, the Mueller Ultra Stick Blender is a versatile kitchen appliance with a removable blending arm. The fixed blade locks and can blend all your milkshakes, smoothies, baby food and favorite soups in a matter of seconds. It features a free whisk attachment for all your eggs and batters, making the cooking process fun and exciting. There is also a manual included with straightforward directions on how to use the blender when making your salsa, pancakes, pesto, smoothies, batter, and whipped cream recipes, whenever you please, not forgetting that it can also be used instead of your juicer, to make juicy cocktails and chop up your veggies, among others. Key features: full copper motor, stainless steel body, dishwasher safe, detachable shaft. Number 2. Utilant Immersion Blender. When we first came across the Utilant Immersion Blender, we weren't convinced. It's not made by a well-known kitchen brand and the deal seemed to be too good to be true. But it all adds up. This amazing immersion blender is well made, comes with all of the attachments you see, and is powerful enough for any blending task. The 250-watt motor comes with a choice of 8 speeds and a turbo setting. Even with this power, it's surprisingly quiet. One of the main reasons for buying the Utilant Immersion Blender is the pack of extras it comes with. As well as the blender, you get a mixing wand, milk frother, 500 ml food chopper, 600 ml beaker, and egg whisk. All of this comes protected under a 2-year warranty. You might not have heard of this brand before, but you certainly won't forget them. Key features: 250-watt motor, 8-speed settings, turbo button, 4-blade system. Number 3. Braun MQ505 Multi-Quick Immersion Blender. Braun has a great reputation for creating high-quality kitchen and bathroom appliances. And we're happy to say, the Braun MQ505 Multi-Quick Hand Blender lives up to it. This is one of the best immersion blenders on the market, bringing together a versatile design with durable materials. The attachments are made from stainless steel and the handle from plastic. We'd recommend hand washing the attachments by hand if you want them to last a long time. The motor inside this immersion blender puts out an impressive 350 watts of power. That's enough to cut through thick peanut butter, work with solid vegetables, and whisk milk or eggs in seconds. It comes with a 20-ounce beaker and a whisk attachment for added versatility. Key features: 350-watt motor, stainless steel attachments, power bell technology, turbo boost. Number 4. Bunsen Kitchen Immersion Hand Blender. The Bunsen Kitchen Immersion Hand Blender is an affordable and feature-laden option. With its 225W motor, 9-speed options, and turbo function, it stacks up pretty well against the competition on this list. The main difference is that it doesn't come from one of the big kitchen appliance brands on the market. Having said that, Bunsen Kitchen does make some excellent products and this immersion blender is worth checking out. It comes with 4 extras, designed to add versatility. These extras include a smart stick, solid whisk, 500 ml chopper bowl, and 24 ounces measuring mug. With these tools, you are equipped for any blending job, from making a smoothie to pureeing thick vegetables. Key features: 225W motor, 9-speed settings, turbo boost, 4-in-1 blender. Number 5. Cuisinart Smart Stick Immersion Blender. Cuisinart is one of the big names in the kitchen appliance game. Almost every product they release is worth checking out, and the Cuisinart CSB175 BKQVC Smart Stick Hand Blender is no exception. Designed for simplicity and durability, this might not be the most versatile product on this list, but it will last you a lifetime. It has a 300-watt motor to provide plenty of power and a 2-speed control. Our only complaint is that the buttons are awkwardly placed, but it's not a huge issue. The 8-inch stainless steel blending shaft is well designed and blends smoothies and soups in seconds. However, it doesn't come with any attachments, so it doesn't double up as an egg whisker like most of the products on this list. If you're looking for a reliable hand blender for soups and smoothies, this is perfect. If you want more versatility than that, you'll have to keep looking. Key features: 300-watt motor, made from stainless steel, 8-inch blending shaft, 2-speed control,